Hey everyone. If your Windows PC has no sound, like speakers or headphones are connected but you still hear nothing, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix no sound on a Windows PC step by step in 2026 using simple methods that usually solve the issue quickly. First, click the speaker icon on the taskbar and make sure the volume isn't muted. Then check the output device and confirm the correct speakers or headphones are selected. Next, right-click the speaker icon and select Troubleshoot Sound Problems. Windows will automatically scan for common audio issues and apply fixes if needed. Now press Windows key plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Find Windows Audio, right-click it, and choose Restart. This refreshes the audio system, Open Device Manager and expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click your audio device and select Update Driver. If sound still doesn't work, uninstall the driver and restart your PC. Go to Sound Settings, open Playback Devices, and set your speakers or headphones as the default device. Sometimes Windows switches outputs automatically after updates. Open Device Properties, go to Enhancements, and disable all audio enhancements. Certain enhancements can conflict with drivers and cause sound problems. Finally, check your headphone or speaker cable and try another audio port if available. Loose or damaged connections can also cause no sound issues. Now play any video or music file and test the sound again. In most cases, one of these steps restores audio immediately. And that's it. Now you know how to fix no sound on a Windows PC in 2026 step by step. Follow these solutions carefully and your audio should work normally again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.